Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your week 2 forecast for October 2015. Geminis, we have Venus who's moved into your house of emotional foundation, and there she's joining Mars and Jupiter. So this is going to be aspect is going to be there for approximately 3 weeks, and it's really quite a lovely aspect because Jupiter is just going to be magnifying everything that is there in your house of emotional foundation. And also because Mars is there, there could be, if there's a slightly aggravated situation at home, you can be sure that Venus is there and she's going to be sort of softening not just the conversations but generally the environment around at home. And it's also a time wherein, because it speaks about movement, if some of you have been looking at maybe just moving countries, not just cities, it's a brilliant time that you will be either applying for your visas or you'll be exploring going and living in another country for good. It's also a great time for renovations for those of you who are redoing their homes, redecorating the houses. It's a time where you are going to be spending some decent amount of money in beautifying your house. Travel is there definitely on work, since there is an aspect in week 2 which speaks about going to other countries. It can be that for work you may just travel to your foreign office. Mercury is going direct on the 10th, and that's fantastic, and he is going direct in your 5th house. That's your house of creativity, love and children. Mercury has been now retrograde for the last 3 weeks, and what happens is that as soon as Mercury goes direct, it's not that everything sort of gets okay. It's like as if a planet is waking up from a deep slumber. So don't expect things to just sort of start moving for you. Just take a while, take till about say another 5 days, about 15th of October, before you sign new deals, negotiate, or even if it has to do with your children and you need to be taking a decision, it will be a great time to be doing that. And because it has to do with creativity, for those of you who are who are writers, who are in theatre, who are in anything creative in advertising, you will find that after the 10th, things just sort of get far more smoother. You're able to understand and you're able to articulate your work much better. With the focus being there in your emotional foundation, it's a time wherein that and with maybe your memories really get sort of magnified as far as your past is concerned. And with your childhood, it could be that you could be spending quite some time with your parents, and you could just be sort of be going down the memory lane, and you could just be thinking about, or you could be talking about all that happened during your childhood. So quite a lovely week, Geminis. I'll see you again next week, and thank you so much for watching.